Your skin is absolutely going to love this body butter. Hello beautiful people, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this brightening turmeric body butter. So sit back and let's learn. To make this turmeric body butter, I am using shea butter as my base, and I'm using shea butter because shea butter is extremely moisturizing. It's great for all skin types and it's also very accessible and inexpensive. I'll start by melting my shea butter using the double boiling method. I have a pot with boiling water and I'm standing my shea butter on that pot so that my shea butter can begin to melt gradually. Please do not use direct heat. While my shea butter is melting, I'm going to go ahead and put my turmeric powder inside a tea bag. If you don't have a tea bag, don't worry. I'm going to tell you how else you can achieve this body butter without a tea bag. But if you have a tea bag, then go ahead and put your turmeric powder inside a tea bag. My turmeric powder is now inside my tea bag and I have sealed the tea bag. Now we can move on to the next step. My shea butter is now completely melted and I'm going to put the tea bag into the shea butter and allow it to sit for about 15 minutes while it's still on the heat. Now if you don't have a tea bag, you can put the turmeric powder directly into the shea butter and infuse it. But in that case, after infusing, you would need to strain out the turmeric shaft so that you can have a fine shea butter. After 15 minutes, you're going to take the tea bag out of the shea butter and also take the shea butter off the heat. Now this is my turmeric infused shea butter and our body butter is coming into shape. Now I am adding in my carrot oil. Carrot oil is extremely moisturizing, also helps in brightening the skin as well, and I have a tutorial on my channel on how to make carrot oil. I'll link it in the description box, so feel free to check it out. Now I'm going to stick this in the freezer and leave it to solidify. That should take about 30 minutes, and when we come back we're going to whip it to achieve our body butter. Here's what our body butter now looks like. It's completely solidified. I actually left mine for an hour and 30 minutes because I forgot, but 30 minutes is just fine. Now I'm going to whip it, and as you can see, mine is a bit hard because I left it for too long. So if you leave yours for just 30 minutes, it won't be this hard, and so whipping it will not be this difficult. So you whip it until you get that fluffy consistency that you want. As you can see, it's getting fluffier and fluffier as I whip it. So whip until you get that fluffy consistency that you want. You don't need to whip too much and you don't need to whip too little. Now I'll be adding in my vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is an antioxidant and is going to keep my oil and butter from going rancid. If you like, you can also add in a fragrance of choice or an essential oil of choice, but I will not be adding into mine. I'm going to mix in my vitamin E oil, and I'm going to leave the full recipe with the accurate measurements in the description box, so make sure you check it out after watching this video. Since our body butter does not contain water, adding in a preservative is optional because since it doesn't contain water, it won't grow molds. Now I'm just going to pack my body butter into my sterilized jar. This body butter has a lot of benefits. If you have dull skin, this body butter is going to brighten the dull skin. It's going to help with moisturizing. It's going to help with spots as well. It will help fade hyperpigmentation. It moisturizes the skin a lot as well, and it literally melts into the skin, and I will show you that right now. Can you see that? And don't you just love this? So let me know in the comment section if you will be trying this out, and I really hope you will because this is so good. I use it on my skin and it's excellent. So if you watched this video till this point, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something new, and if you did, please like this video, share this video, drop a comment, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post, and check out the beautiful pictures I took of this body butter. Once again, please try out this body butter. Bye and see you in my next video.